Welcome to today's analysis. Today I'm actually very happy. Now, why am I happy is because all my three pays yesterday were actually wonderfully profitable. I mean, wonderfully, like very, very profitable. And I'm sure every other person actually took the trade. I don't know if actually you took the trade. Can just let me know in the comment section. Any other person actually took the trade, I think I'm sure you were actually very happy because I think it's been a while actually at such a bullish or such a long time trend like that was massive. Yesterday's trade was massive. So once again, thank you so much for showing up every single day for daily analysis. And remember, we drop this every single day, telling you what we expect on each single day. Remember, this is day trade. We are looking forward to what happened on the day, not really the swing trading or monthly trade. Just focus on what are we expecting today. Are we going bullish today, or are we going bear, or are we just staying out of the market today? Those are the three trades we take every single day. If you don't see opportunity, we go dormant. If we see, I will definitely analyze it together. Remember, the comment section is there for you to always drop a comment in case there's another thing you'd like to analyze or there's something you'd like to maybe aims to make the analysis better. Please do well to drop in the comment section. Don't forget, in case you're not familiar with this, what's it called? With this channel, this is the first time coming across the channel, do it to hit the subscribe button. We drop analysis every single day, and don't forget the bell icon beside it to get you notified once we drop the next video. If you're watching this on Facebook or TikTok, please hit the follow button, and don't forget you can give it a thumbs up if you feel it's educative, and also share with your colleagues. That's it. Let's dive into today's analysis. Now, yesterday we actually said the market actually broke above this. We are going to be going long. I said if the next candle could close, what's it called, bullish, and of course this candle actually closed bullish, and then that's when we went long on here on this level. Then stop loss was here, and then you can see it. I didn't even check it. Like I just put the trade because I was like, initially I felt maybe I should have a tracer back to this level, but I just put this. Then after this candle, I put my stop loss below here. Then the take profit was just open. I didn't really put any take profit both on the gold, on pound and BTCUSD. I didn't put any what's it called, stop loss, only take profit. My stop loss was there, but I didn't put take away. And then when I came on this morning, it was actually massive. I didn't check the pieces that last night. Well, that was not even last. That was somehow in the evening. That was around evening afternoon. That was around maybe 1 p.m. yesterday. And when I came this morning back to the office, you can see it's massive. I was actually very, very happy. So anyway, yesterday profit or today's profit does not determine today's success. So let's focus on today. So I'll be clearing off the chart. I think not even cleared it because it's actually still very much valid. So let me just clear this off. This has already been taken out. So let me just clear them off. Except if the market inspects it again, then you can do a new one. So the new one we'll be having now is just this level, which now becomes our previous recent high. Now getting broken now becoming the low. Now what are we expecting? Two things: either the market comes back to the test or come back to structure. But then if that does not happen, we want to see a change of structure on the bullish. Remember once again I said, but first it's true, I forgot, sorry please. Let's check fundamentals for today. Today is Wednesday, January 28th. So on the fundamentals, I think the only major news we have from United States is okay, over here. That's by 8 p.m. Nigerian time, which is the federal fund rate, and then FOMS statement, and then press conference. Okay, that's by 8 p.m. Nigerian time. I think we still have a lot of time to that. But then remember, I told you yesterday that a lot is currently going on in the US. So I think if you're going on the US can actually be bearish any moment at all. When I mean bearish, the USD dollar is bearish. That means if any pair have in the United States this coach currency is definitely going to be bullish, and that as its base currency is going to be bearish. That's what I mean by the US is bearish or could be bearish because a lot is going on, a lot of negative reports. Let me use that word. It's currently going on in the United States. I said that yesterday. I'm sure that's actually is one of the reasons that leading to the spike because yesterday there was no any major fundamental that led to the spike, but I believe just because of the layer of fundamentals going on in the United States, a lot of indecisiveness, and I think there was killing and the rest of it. So that's actually made our investors start thinking of no, we can't actually leave our funds here. So that's we are still very much bullish. So let's look for a change of structure on the bullish aspect. Okay. Now for change of structure on the bullish aspect. So here's another trade I'm looking forward to. Alright. So here's another trade I'm looking forward to on what's it called? On pound dollar. So you can do well to also put eye on this. This I'll be looking for. I'm waiting for the close of the next bullish candlestick. Then I go long on this. And my stop loss is going to be below this level. I think below this previous rejection. That is where my stop loss is going to be. Then my take profits is actually 1:2. Yes, it actually left it open because I was actually going to leave the office. So I said, okay, let me just leave it. Maybe when I come this morning, then I can check it to see what really happened. If stop loss fine, if take profits fine, then you can say it. I'm sure that I'm actually still very happy. Let me see that one. I'm still very happy because that it's been a long time we actually had such massive profit. I mean massive, like really massive. But anyway, that's for that. So this is for the pound dollar. So go to the next one, which is going to be BTCUSD. Alright. This also bullish yesterday. In fact, three of them were actually bullish yesterday, very bullish. Alright. So still going to the H4. Now I said something earlier. I said my main bullish entry is going to be when it breaks above this. Whatever I'm doing inside this level is going to be only on the scalping aspect. And that was really what I did. When this candle actually closed bullish, I actually went long on this. Then that was when I really also left the what's it called? The take profit open, and then we also got to our take profit. I think that was where was that? I think somewhere around here, yeah. Is it here or here? I think, yes, but yeah. So somewhere around they actually went long. Then stop loss was I think below this level. When it's closed, I think below this that was where my stop loss was. Then you can see it. I think I'm just noticing that there was actually a retracement before of yes, I think somewhere around here. But when I just came this profit money, I just saw the profit. So I'm just seeing it now. There was actually a retracement before the actually. So that means that's a good one though. Anyway, that's for that. So we are still very much bullish. But then my main entry or my main bullish trade on BCD is if I can see a breakout above this. Whatever I'm doing inside, it just for scalping purposes. So please and please, I'm waiting for a breakout of this from the 9,000. If you can see a breakout from the 9,000 zone, then I'll be more than glad to go long, and I'm sure you know what it's going to be. My default is going to be 1:2, but then after 1:2, I want my stop loss to break even and target this next level. So that's what I'll be looking forward to do on BTC USD. So hopefully, maybe anytime from now, you actually be seeing some low momentum candlestick where the bulls and the bears are not really able to go above this level. But then if the bulls comes in, definitely we are likely to break above this, and the bears comes in, we are likely to break below this. So let's see what really is going to happen later on in the day. That's it. Let's go to the next one. It's going to be my favorite. Not even going to be my favorite. I'm sure you know where this is my favorite. And this is where the major profit yesterday was taken from. Gold. It's actually still bullish. I went long again after this level. I'm currently in another long trade after this level. That was what I went long yesterday. Yeah, this is what I went on yesterday. But currently I'm still in another bullish trade again. I just said that this one. I think this one was the one I told you yesterday. I actually took a loss on this, and then when I went long again, I think but after this close of this candle, that was when I went long. So I can't remember the main purpose when we went long on this yesterday. But then for today, what I'm expecting the same thing, change of structure on the bullish aspect. I want to see the market changing structure. For this level, I really can't see any confirmed structure change. Let me go to each one. Let me see if I can see where I'm expecting a retracement to get to. So let's delete this first, then get this done. So on gold steel, the long actually took is actually from this level. That's why I took my long trade. So I really can't say you should go long. So because me going that long just for scalping purposes, the major good trade are no confirmed trade yet. Why? Because remember, if you're going long here, you have no technical place for you to put your stop loss. So definitely, I'll just say leave good for now. Then I'll keep you alerted. If I can see change of structure, maybe the market then start making good structures, like maybe trying to go below the end. You have this unable to go below this and stopping this and breaking above this good. Then that's not an us okay, the market's ready to continue bullish. So otherwise, just keep fingers crossed. I'll definitely keep you alerted with my alert videos. Remember, I drop alert videos. If I see structures change in our favor, I drop that to let you know that okay, this is happening on gold or this is happening on BTCUSD or this is happening on pound dollar. That said, that brings us to the end of analysis for today on the forex market. Of course, just analyze the BTCUSD, gold, and pound dollar, which is the GBPUSD. Remember, just I've always said it. In case you want to copy my trade or you want to see the trade I take, you can open an account using the link in the description. Then after that, just you have automatic access from your dashboard that you see are already connected to my own paid algorithm. But please, if you're copying of my trade, try to adjust the loss. I say this often and often because a lot of people be like, I didn't know that it was going to pull back. It might actually pull back. The fact that I go long does not mean that if you check my stop loss is there. So calculate my stop loss. If you know your account can't take it, so please and please try to adjust it to account that to amount or to loss that can suit you. So you don't have a little pullback, then you're out of the market. So please, this has happened always. So I just let them just let you know about that. That said, that brings us to the end of the analysis. So I usually say, please stay safe, and always ensure you don't risk more than you can afford to lose, no matter how good the chart looks.